Hi everyone, my name is Sunny and I'm excited to welcome you to this comprehensive Revit training course. In this course, we'll be covering everything you need to know to go from a complete beginner to a Revit expert. This course is for anyone who wants to learn Revit, regardless of their experience level. Whether you're a complete beginner or you're looking to brush up on your skills, this course has something for you. Revit is a powerful BIM software used by architects, engineers, and contractors to design and construct buildings. Revit allows you to create 3D models of your buildings, as well as generate 2D drawings, schedules, and cost estimates. In this tutorial video, we will first discuss the topic of BIM. Then, we will move on to the Revit software itself. We will discuss the application of Revit in the BIM process and technology, and then begin the course. Our goal is to provide you with a comprehensive course that will eliminate any concerns you may have about learning Revit. To start, let's talk about BIM technology. What is this technology and why should we switch to it? In the construction industry, we have two main technologies, CAD and BIM. CAD technologies were developed after architects and drafters used to work manually. They computerized the manual process, allowing for faster drawing and design. The process remained the same. The architect designed, the drafter drew the design, and then the sections, elevations, 3D models, and any changes or errors in the drawings had to be redone. For example, if we had changes in the plan, we would have to redraw those changes in the sections and elevations as well. This system is obviously very time-consuming. BIM technology, on the other hand, is a completely different approach. It is a parametric, object-oriented technology. In BIM, we do not draw lines and shapes. Instead, we create intelligent objects that represent real-world building components. These objects have properties and attributes that define their behavior and characteristics. For example, a door object will have properties such as width, height, material, and location. When we make a change to an object, such as changing the door's width, the software automatically updates all other elements that are affected by this change. This means that we no longer need to redraw everything manually. The software does it for us automatically. BIM technology is based on a fundamental shift from traditional CAD drafting to information modeling of building components. Instead of drawing lines to represent wall in 2D plans and then extruding them to create 3D models, BIM allows you to create intelligent 3D models directly. These models contain a wealth of information about the building, including material properties, layering and composition, dimensions, thermal properties, structural properties, and much more. BIM is not just a software. It's a comprehensive technology that encompasses all aspects of the building lifecycle, from architectural design and engineering to construction, facility management, and project management. One of the most exciting aspects of BIM is the wide range of software available to support it. Revit is one of the most popular BIM software programs, but many others exist to cater to different needs and workflows. The transition from CAD to BIM is a transformative one, revolutionizing the way we design, build, and manage our built environment. With its powerful capabilities and ever-evolving software landscape, BIM is poised to shape the future of architecture, engineering, and construction for years to come. In the field of architecture that we're going to work in, my suggestion to you is 100% Revit software, which is the most widely used software in the field of BIM. Here I have to tell you that AutoCAD and Revit are like two friends, standing side by side. It's not like you can eliminate AutoCAD by learning Revit. AutoCAD software is the foundation and mother of software in engineering fields, and you should definitely know it in addition to Revit. Now let's open Revit 2024 software. In this training course, we will work with the latest version of the software. If you're new to my channel, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Revit consists of three disciplines: architecture, structure, and MEP. In Revit 2024, the recent files section includes various templates for these disciplines. You can access each template, explore the sample projects included, and familiarize yourself with its specific discipline. The main page of the software has two sections: Models and Families. Models is used to create and manage Revit projects. Families is used to create and manage Revit families. When you click on the New Models option, you will see two multi-discipline templates in the Template Files section: Imperial for projects that use imperial units, and Metric for projects that use metric units. If you select Metric Multidiscipline here and click OK, you will see the project browser. The project browser will show the architecture, structure, and MEP disciplines as separate categories. Each discipline will have a floor plan subcategory and other subcategories for different types of details. This can be a great starting point for professional projects. If you want to use the default metric templates for any reason, simply follow these steps. Return to the Recent Files page. Click on the New Models option. Click on the Browse button. You will see that there are other templates available in English Imperial section. Return to the list templates and enter the English folder. Select Default Metric and click on the Open button. Click on the OK button. The template will be opened and you can start working on it. To add views, plans, and metric units, go to the File menu and select Options. In the File Locations section, you will see different options. The Imperial option is based on feet and inches. Since we are working with meters in this course, we want to add the default metric option. As you can see, you can easily access the same old templates that were used in Revit. If you want to add the default metric template to the project section, simply go to the File menu and select Options. Go to the File Locations section, click the plus, go to the folder where RVT 2024 is located. Select Templates, English, Default Metric, and open it. Use the up arrow to make it my first template. In the Default Path for User Files section, I need to specify the location of my own templates. Go to the RVT folder and open it to specify the same folder. In the Default Paths for Family Template Files section, go to Family Templates in the RVT 2024 folder. Select English and open it. We need to add default furniture to the places. Go to the places and hit plus. Click on the square on the right side and go to Libraries from the RVT 2024 folder and select English. Here are the ready-made furniture, which are not many, but they are all necessary for when we want to do ordinary work. Hit Open, select it and break it up, hit OK and OK. Now we hit File, New, Project, select Default Metric from the drop-down menu and hit OK. And if Revit homepage opens, we select Default Metric from New Model. When you open a Revit page, you have 4 viewports created by the default metric. There are 2 levels by default. We have 4 views and 2 windows, Properties and Project Browser. We also have a set of main tabs, such as Architecture, Structure, Steel, etc. These tabs contain tools and commands specific to each discipline. We will work with all of these tabs together to create a complete building model. We also have a toolbar at the top called the Quick Access Toolbar, which you can use to go to the 3D view. From version 2020 onwards, levels are visible in 3D. If we go back to the plan view, we can also add a section line. A section line is a line that cuts through a building, allowing you to see the interior of a building in cross-section. This can be helpful for understanding the layout of a building and for creating construction drawings. In addition to these features, Revit also includes a variety of other tools and features, such as thin line, measurements, and more. These tools can be used to create a complete and accurate building model. The project browser shows the properties of the current page and views. The Properties window shows the properties of the selected object. We will discuss these in more detail later. This was the introduction that we needed to know before starting the course. We talked about BIM technology, the software used in it, how to enter Revit software and templates, and get started with this amazing and popular software among architects. I hope you enjoyed this part of the tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will start working with the amazing Revit software. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment and like it. It really helps me out. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my new videos. Have a great day.